first, you want to start out by peeling your bananas and putting them in the bowl. So me and Carlos are going to peel these bananas and put them into this bowl.
Okay.
Peel.
Peel.
Get them in there.
Peel. Yep.
That's one. You use 4 bananas. 4 bananas. Or you can use 5 or 3. You can use as many as you like. You know, it just depends on how much banana you want in your bread. And when you get done peeling the bananas, then you want to mash them.
Yep, let me get mine.
Alright, throw it in there.
Mash them.
Carla's going to mash. She's going to smush. Smushity smush. Okay. Smash it up.
It's so satisfying, but it's also hard.
It's hard to say. You gotta when you mash, you gotta smush it down like this. You don't bang it. You go and squish like this.
Okay, let me do it.
Squish. There you go.
Hey, I know.
There you go. Squish.
Wait, that one messed me
Get your
up.
squish on. Get your squish on. It's not appropriate for this video, is it? I don't think so, but still get your squish on. Okay, Carlos squishing, and then when he squishes good enough, we'll come back with some more wet ingredients.
We smashed our bananas. See?
The bananas are nice and smashed, and before you put all the rest of the wet ingredients in, you need to add in. You had to put your dry ingredients. We got those in another bowl, which is 2 cups of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so now we need to add the butter. Then now we're going to pour in the butter. Probably pour in the butter. Be careful. Okay, now after you pour in the butter, you add in a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. All right, let's start with the vegetable oil. Be careful. Then after that, a 1/2 cup of milk.
Yep, milk. Is that me? Let me. Okay.
All right, pour it in there.
It looks
and after that,
so cool.
you throw
It looks
in
like a
cup of sugar.
It looks like a lava lamp.
Cup of sugar.
It looks like a lava lamp.
And then after that, you add a tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Yep, vanilla extract. Like it's distracting.
And then you add in a tablespoon. I like to add in a tablespoon of almond extract so you can kind of get the nut flavor without actually adding the nuts, the almonds. Okay, I'm not gonna say nuts, but almonds.
It smells delicious already.
Yeah, a tablespoon of that. And now Carlo's going to mix. Okay, start mixing up the wet ingredients. Get them all mixed up in there. Okay, keep on mixing. And while he's mixing, I'm going to add in the dry ingredients a little bit at a time while he's stirring.
Oh, it smells so good. You got it on my hand.
I'm sorry. Keep stirring. Don't get distracted. Keep stirring.
Whiskey whisk.
There you go. Sing the wispy song. Whisk.
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 Whiskey whisk. Yeah, whiskey whisk.
Oh yeah, we whisking. Whisk. The whisk song.
Whiskey whisk. Go whiskey whisk.
Song.
Yep.
Like SpongeBob, he's making up a song.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm ready.
We're getting all this stuff, getting all mixed in there real good. Get all the banana, all the flour in there mixed. So it's all mixed in there. And then we're going to grease the pan and we're going to put it in the oven.
Yep. Okay, we're back and we got our grease pan.
You want to make sure you grease your pan?
Yeah.
Before you put it in the oven, you put it in the oven for 1 hour on 350. 1 hour, 350. And then when it comes out, it'll be nice and delicious. We're going to add something in there. You want to fill it up, you know, like halfway in the pan.
Let me pour it. I want to pour it.
When I dump it all in, we got a little extra batter in here. So I guess we can get it all in there. Okay.
Yeah, we can scrape the rest and use it for like something else.
We don't have our rubber spats over here right now, but it'll be fine. Alright.
Yeah, we can like scratch it off.
There we go. The bread is in the pan. Now it's going into the oven for 1 hour, 350. Hey everybody, we're back. The bread is out the oven, looking and smelling delicious. Okay, we're going to let Kylo do his normal taste test at the end. So, alright, we're going to give him a slice. We'll take the middle slice.
Why?
Because it's a little softer. There we go. Alright, now go ahead and do the taste test. Alright, what you think? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up, like
and
subscribe. That's
my
make this recipe.
Good brown, good bread. Everybody, we're happy. We're going to leave the recipe in the description below, just in case you didn't catch everything. And we're done, people. Again, we'll see you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.